Usually just Charlie wants juice. Right, buddy? Want some juice? Come on. Ah, those birds won't bother you. Those are doves out there. I love the way his little tongue goes. And then Jasper's going to pretend to drink. He usually doesn't really. Do you want some? Oh, he's really having some. Usually Jasper doesn't really drink it. Is it good? It's so cute. Are you so cute? Do you want some more, Charlie Bird? More juice for Charlie? No? Are you done? Oh. You don't want any more. Charlie wants more, but then Jasper comes over to nose him out. Come here. Charlie, do you want a macadamia? Do you want a macadamia? You do. He really wants a macadamia. He loves his macadamia. It's so bad. Is that bad, Jasper, to feed him a macadamia? You don't like them. Here, have some more juice. No? Charlie likes eating his macadamia. I like to watch him. He's cute. Jasper's a naughty boy. What are you doing, Jazzy? You want to say goodbye to the people? It's bad? What's bad? The recorder is bad? Really? It's bad. Why is it bad? People get to see you on Facebook. One more look at Charlie eating his macadamia. And Jazzy boy, I missed your wing flip. I like your wing flip. Talk to the hand. Talk to the hand. You're a funny bird. Okay, buddies. Say goodbye, Jazzy. I'm going to turn it off now. That's right. Say goodbye. Okay.